Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, I will show you how to set speed dialing in Nokia 3310 mobile phone. So guys, speed dialing is basically you can press any number and then press the call button and it will automatically start calling. I will show you how does it work. First of all, go to the menu, okay, and then go to the contacts. Okay, so you see this contacts icon over here, so just select it and then simply press this middle button to go inside the contacts. So here you will have all your contacts available. Okay, so what you have to do, you see it's written here options on the side. Yeah, so you press this button, okay, to go to the options menu. So the option menu is now open, and what you can do is you just scroll down, okay, and you will see an option of speed dial. Okay, so just select this speed dial option. Okay, now currently the speed dial is off. Okay, so what you can do is you can go down and select this edit option. So just select this edit option and then press OK. Once you press the OK, it will open the options about the keys in front of you, and then you can see the key 2 is empty. All the keys are empty now, you can see. So what you can do is, for example, you want to set a specific contact in this key 2. Okay, so what you can do is just select this key 2, then press this middle button which says assign. Okay, once you open the assign menu, you see there are two options: assign to call or assign to text message. So now I will assign it to the call. So I select this assign to call option. I press this middle button. So now it will ask me which contact you want to assign for the calling. Okay, so I can scroll down, I can select whichever contact you want to select. You can select, for example, I select this contact. Okay, and then I press this middle button again. So this contact is assigned to key 2 and you can see it over here. Now go back. Everything is done now. Simply what you can do is press the number 2 key. You press now, simply press this call button, yeah, and then simply press this call button, and then it will automatically start calling that specific number you can see over here. So this is how you can set the speed dialing. Okay, now if you want to delete or you want to edit this number 2 option, for example, I press this one and I want to call this person, simply I start calling, but I want to add some other person, not this person, I can also do it. Okay, I will end this call. Okay, and now what you can do is go to the menu again, go to the contacts same way, and then select these options, and then simply scroll down, go to the speed dial. So this is speed dial, just select it and then go to the edit option again and then press OK. And then you can see key 2 is select this specific contact with this number. So you can just select the options and then it will show you four different options. You want to see the number, it will show you the number. You want to change to call, which is already assigned to call. If you want to change to SMS, you can also change it to SMS. So for example, if you want to send SMS to a specific person, just write the SMS, press 2, then press this button and it will send the SMS. And then if you want to delete this number, you can also delete it. So I want to delete this number, and then I press choose button, and then it will ask me one more time. So I delete speed dial from key 2 and then I press OK. Now I want to add some other person, okay, to this key. I can do it same way. Go to the assign to call, and then here you can select any number. For example, this time I want to select this contact, and then I press choose. This is assigned to key 2. Now everything is done. Now go back and then you see key 2, number 2 I press, simply I press calling option, and then you can see it start calling that specific contact. Okay, so this is basically the speed dialing. Okay, you can assign for all the keys. Okay, for all the keys you can assign the speed dialing option. Simply go to the menu again, go to the contacts, go to the options, and then simply you see the speed dial option, then press edit. Okay, for all the keys you can see key 3, key 4, so all the keys till key 9, you can select all these keys, and then you can assign any contacts to these all keys. For example, I want to for the key 3 I want to assign another number assigned to call, and then for example I want to assign this number, so you can see it is assigned to key 3. And then for key 4 I can also assign, simply assign to call, and then for example I want to assign this contact, I can assign it to key 4. So by that you can assign for all the keys in your phone, and then simply once you're done, for example you want to check for the key 3, I assigned a number, I press 3 and I press call, you can see it simply call that number. So this is the speed dialing. This is how you can start using the speed dial option in your Nokia mobile phone. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoyed the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.